Question number 14. It's telling you 1.2 meter tall girl. So you can see here 1.2 meter tall girl here, right? Spots a balloon. So she's seeing a balloon. And when she sees it, the angle by with which she sees is 60-degree, right? Spots a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal line at a height of 88.2 meter from the ground. So actually the height of the balloon from the ground is actually 88.2 meters, right? It's 88.2 meters. But if you will take the distance of the balloon from the eye level of the girl, that'll be 88.2, that is complete line, 88.2 minus 1.2. I'll show it here. If this whole distance here is 88.2, right? If this is 88.2 and the girl is 1.2 meters, girl is 1.2 meters, I'll show it by red. She's here 1.2 meters, 1.2, and this is whole 88.2. So how much will be the distance between the girl's eye and the top of the balloon? That'll be 88.2 minus 1.2, that is 87 meters, right? So actually the height of this triangle is 87 meters, right? 87 meters. The angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the girl at any instant is 60. So at that instant it was 60. After some time the angle of elevation reduces to 30. Why it reduces to 30? Because the balloon is moving. So the balloon is moving, the angle gets depressed, it gets down and down and down, and from 60 it becomes 30 now. But the height is again the same from the eye level of the girl. It is 88.2 minus 1.2, that is 87 meters. Find the distance traveled by the balloon during the interval. So if you'll mark it as A, B, right, and C, we have to calculate AB, right? We have to calculate distance traveled from the initial position of the balloon to the final position of the balloon. That is not this AB, actually from C to B, right? We have to calculate distance from C to B. So CB can be written as AB minus AC, right? AB minus AC. If we will be able to calculate AB, this complete distance, right, and then we can subtract AC from that, then we will be able to get CB. So AB minus AC is CB. So we will take again the two triangles ACB. Let us take it as D and E. We can take triangle AEC. Okay, so triangle AEC. In triangle AEC, you're given the height, that is 87, and you want to calculate AC. So again, opposite over adjacent, that is tan 30. No, tan 60, right? Tan 60. Tan 60 is opposite, that is EC, that is 87, divided by adjacent, that is AC. Tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 times AC is 87, or AC is 87 divided by root 3. So AC is 87 divided by root 3. We got one portion of this. Now we have to calculate another, AB. Now AB is in triangle ABD. So triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, we have to calculate AB, and we are given BD. BD is the opposite side to the angle 30, and AB is adjacent. So again, tan 30 degree is equal to 87 divided by AB, and tan 30 is 1 divided by root 3 multiplied by AB is equal to 87, or you can write AB is equal to 87 times root 3, because when you will take 1 by root 3 to the right side, when you will multiply root 3 to both sides, you will get 87 root 3 here, and you will get AB on the left side. So you got AB and you got AC. You got AB, you got AC. Now CB will be equal to AB, that is 87 root 3, minus AC, that is 87 divided by root 3, right? Now we can take 87 common. CB is equal to 87 multiplied by root 3 minus 1 by root 3. And root 3 is not only root 3, it's 1, it's divided by 1. Now you can take LCM here. You will get CB equals 87 multiplied by, in the denominator you'll be having root 3. In the numerator, root 3 times root 3 is 3 minus 1, right? Because root 3 times 1 is root 3. 1 times 1 is 1. So it'll be 87 times 2 divided by root 3. But you're having root 3 in the denominator. So what you will do? You will multiply root 3 and root 3 to the numerator and the denominator. Multiplying root 3, numerator and denominator, you will get CB equals 87 multiplied by 2 multiplied by root 3 divided by root 3 times root 3 is 3, right? And we will see 87 is 87 divisible by 3. Yes, it is, because 8 plus 7 is 15 and 15 is divisible by 3, so 87 is divisible by 3. So 3 times 1, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 9 is 27, so 29 times 2 is 58 root 3. So CB is 29 times 2, that is 58 multiplied by root 3 meters is the answer. So CB, the distance between the initial and the final position of the balloon, is 58 root 3 meters. CB, right? CB, 58 root 3 meters.